Hey, good morning. Bill Winter from Rochester, New York. And am I excited? And guess why? Because 1 week from tomorrow, we go on our annual magical Disney cruise and parks vacation. It's like something absolutely amazing. So what we do is, as it comes, we can start putting up our calendar, our magical calendar that we do, a 3 month calendar. We actually visualize every picture of what we're going to be doing. So what I want to do is I want to share with you how we picture this and how it really makes our trip even more enjoyable than you can possibly imagine. So, okay, what I want to do is we're going to focus in on day by day of what we're going to be doing. Now, first of all, we're going to be flying out on Southwest Airlines on February 3rd, and we're going to be, the Magical Express picks us up, and we arrive at the Pop Century. That's our favorite place because we've been there each year. We've been to other places, but the Pop Century is our very favorite because it's Disney. We love Disney. Then on day two, now we're not going to go into any parks that day because we arrive a little late. So we get down to the Disney Springs, and we just go up on the aerial tram. Just have a great day. It's just a whole different relaxation after flying. Then on this first day at the parks, but by the way, we do have an annual pass, which really makes it great. We just love that. We get pictures taken, everything. So here we are. We go over to Animal Kingdom. And Animal Kingdom is fantastic. We have all of our fast passes that we've done ahead of time, all of our meals that we have planned for each of these activities. So we know what we're going to be doing, but you have to do it way in advance, 60 days in advance for fast passes, and you got to get on it right away because if you don't get what you want. Then on the next day, which is our day 3, which is Hollywood Studios. And Hollywood Studios is great because there's so much there. That's where Star Wars, all the latest things are going on. We love Hollywood Studios. Then the next day, too, we go over here to Epcot. And Epcot, again, that's one of our very favorites. We love the big globe. We love everything about. We love all the various places. We love places we love to eat there. We always take a trip around the world every year because we can visit Epcot. And then on the next day, which is day 5, is the Magic Kingdom. Now, this is my very, very favorite place to visit. I mean, it's just like, it's magic. And when you walk down the street, you're happy. Disney is happy. And so we are going to the Magic Kingdom. We have all that all planned out. We love to watch the fireworks at night. And then on the next day, on Saturday, in the morning, we're going to go over to Magic Kingdom, hop on the People Mover because that's a thing we love at the Magic Kingdom. And our bus does not take us over to our cruise ship until about 1 o'clock. And we hop on the Disney Cruise Line bus, and it's so much fun. They have movies up on the screens. You just get that feeling you're ready to jump on that cruise, and we do. We board over there. It's like, I'm going to be taking videos. So keep watching for videos while we're on the cruise because it is so much fun. And then we have the sail off. We hop out. It's just a blast on the cruise. Then our day at sea. We have the first day at sea, and it's like we just relax. It's out there. We have activities planned. It is a Star Wars cruise and Pirates of the Caribbean, so there's all kinds of activities going on constantly. And then on the second day on the cruise, which is actually a day on our trip, it's fireworks, and that's where we have Pirates of the Caribbean. It's like absolutely amazing. Disney knows how to do it, and Disney's the only ship that allows fireworks at sea. Then our first port is Tortola in the British Virgin Islands. And a lot of times we don't even get off the ship because we've been on so many cruises. We found out Disney's our favorite cruise. So we love to just stay on the cruise ship many times. We don't even get off the ship. Then on the next day, we go over to San Juan, Puerto Rico. And I've been to San Juan several times. And, I really like it, but we might get off the ship, walk around a little bit, and then come back on. But we don't spend a whole day there. Then comes the big day for Star Wars Day at Sea, and it's so much fun because they bring all the Star Wars characters, and at the evening, they actually have the menus made up. that they paid $30 or $40 for each menu. There are 3D menus, and absolutely amazing. Disney just goes all out when they do that Star Wars Day at Sea. They have movies going on all day long. They have the very latest movies, the latest Star Wars movie. So it's a great time. And then comes our very favorite. And this is going to be a very special cruise this year when we go to Castaway Cay, because it's also Valentine's Day. And Valentine's Day at Castaway Cay, I can't even imagine how great that's going to be. It's our very favorite place to go to. We love that port. That's when we definitely get off. We're going to do the 5K run in the morning. John does the running. I do the fast walking. So anyhow, it's a day that we totally enjoy. But it's also one that's kind of sad because it's the last night of the cruise. Then on Saturday, we get off the ship and the Disney Cruise Line picks us up and they take us back over to our Pop Century again. And then we head over to Animal Kingdom. And we have a lot of activities and we have all of our meals planned. We have the Disney meal plan over here. And so we've picked out all kinds of fantastic restaurants to eat at. And as you see here, I have this little monkey I brought home because it's like Animal Kingdom has progressed so much. I love it. Then the next day we go back over to Hollywood Studios again. And here's one thing that's going to be happening on Epcot. This whole time up here, during this time we're there, Epcot has the festival. And it's like there's a lot of things going on. It's special. They give us special magnets because we have annual passes, and it's just a super time. And then on this next day, we go over here. This shows the Festival of the Arts, and we park hop. Since you have annual passes, you can park hop. So we jump back and forth. Then we go over here to the Magic Kingdom. We watch the fireworks at night, and then the last day we have to get up very early because our Magical Express is going to take us back over to the airport and we fly home. Now, I'm telling you right now, it's great to picture this, but also it's very sad when it's over. But right now we're thinking about it's coming up 1 week from today. There was a time I've been on well over 30 cruises besides Disney. And when we used to go to different ports, we saw the Disney Cruise Line pull in, and we say, oh man, that's so expensive. We can never ever afford a Disney cruise. And then finally we just made up our mind. We changed our mindset. We said, look, we can definitely go on a Disney cruise. We just have to start changing our thinking and actually start planning. And we've done that. We've learned how to plan. We've learned all the tips and tricks and tips. We've learned how to get free airfare. We've learned how to do all kinds of things, how to save money, how to get free spending money. I mean, we've learned a lot of things. And I know that if it's something that you really like to learn about, I'd only be too happy to share it with you. Just put a comment below and just say, I'd like to learn more of how you're able to afford to go on an unbelievable, like almost 3-week Disney parks and cruise every year. I mean, we are here. We want to share it with you because we want to share Disney magic with everybody. So I'm looking forward to having you join me on the trip via videos that I'm going to be sharing and some pictures. So stay tuned. Look at my Facebook page and just keep watching. Bill Winch as my Facebook page. Just go there and you'll see all the things that we're doing. So today is the day we're preparing. We have to do some more packing. We have a lot of things to do, and we are happy to share everything with you. Bill Winch from Rochester, New York saying bye for now and have a magical day.